YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long, but why not get back to it with an unboxing video on this permanent jewelry welding kit for this tool that I purchased from Amazon. Came in this beautiful big Amazon box. Don't mind my cat over there, she's just having fun with the box. I did start to open it. I took out like the main component, which is this large device here. I don't want to call it device, but this large thing here. I'm assuming this is where, you know, the powerhouse is. I haven't taken it out of the plastic or anything. I will be taking that out a little bit later. I just wanted to do an unboxing so you can see here all the buttons, arrows. I'll do a how-to probably later, just an unboxing right now. This is what we're unboxing. Like I said, this is the main big powerhouse here. Here's the manual. And then if you continue on in the rest of the box, here's how everything else comes. I believe this is for the argon. If you have an argon tank, you connect that to it. This also goes along with the argon. This here, I haven't opened this yet, but I will soon. Comes with this. It looks like maybe this is a stand for the stylist or the pin. Let's get into the stylist. There's the stylist here. Plastic wrapped. Yeah, I haven't put everything together, so this is really just showing you guys how it comes if you purchase the jewelry welder on Amazon. Here is the tweezers or the grounding pliers, tweezers. I believe that's what they are. I don't want to lie, but I believe that's what that is. Some other cards here. Don't know what they say. That's the side. This, I believe, is like a sanding ring for you to clean off any gunk on your stylist. I don't know the exact terminology or name for this, but maybe I'll do a little how-to on how to use it. Here, I'm not quite sure what's in there yet. We got a nice USB. Not sure what it goes to, but once I go through the manual, I'll figure that out. I'm assuming this is the main power cord that you hook up to this bad boy here. That's what it takes. Yeah, coolio. And then we have the rest of, I believe this is probably the main part of the stand that you put together and you hook, what's that little metal piece up? You probably hook this up to it. But yeah, this is going to be the stand for the stylist for you to rest your tools and good stuff with. Let me see if I can pop this open with one hand. Let me see if I can. Yeah. Oh, I probably shouldn't pop that open with one hand. Okay, so if you know, you know, these are what you're gonna have to put in your stylist. So I'm kind of sad that I busted that open like that because they look like they were sized differently as well. But I will go through that later. So yeah, these are gonna be the pieces that go to your stylist that come in this little plastic container here. Ooh, almost spilled it again. I think I pretty much got all the little prongs and everything. Yeah, so don't try to open that with one hand. But this also goes with your stylist here. Awesome. Let's see if I can open this little bad boy here with one hand. I did it. All right. And then I believe this is also something that goes with the argon tank part of, yeah, this helps you measure. This is like a gauge for the argon. So yeah, I probably will not be hooking up an argon tank to this quite yet. Still playing around with it now. I want to say I purchased this on Amazon altogether for about $3.20, but I will definitely put the link in the description and everything. Yeah, so if you're looking for a permanent jewelry welder, I'm trying this one out. I will do maybe an update video on how it's going. But yeah, this is on Amazon. A lot of them go for anywhere from like 3,000, 5,000. They can get crazy. The prices can get crazy for these jewelry welders. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one out. It looks very promising. I've heard good things. I've heard mixed reviews, but I'm gonna try it out for myself. But thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video. Again, large box from Amazon, comes with a smaller box, and that's the bad boy right there. Thanks. See you guys in my next video. Bye.